Hey up guys, Dave here, writing 41 songs in 41 days. Tyler361T2. You should do one where the followers send you their riffs and you build a song around them. I've been wanting to do something like that for a while. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go. I got this fantastic video sent to me from a guy in Finland called Lauri.
Good morning, Dave. My name is Lauri, and you asked in the YouTube, would we have some riffs or something that you might take away and run with? And yes, I do. Trying to add on how to move on with this is to use A minor, then D dominant 7, G diminished 7. So when I've been noodling, it's been something like
there was a kind of like almost like a throwaway comment that he made about his chord progression he was showing me, which was
it has this hopeful uplifting.
He's hit the nail on the head with this. So to turn this into a song, I think I need to lean into the idea of this being like a hopeful kind of a song. I feel like things are going to change a little bit as I'm going, because I always think there's kind of like this little dance that happens between lyrics and melody and chords and stuff, because things need to be malleable. That could be kind of like a break in between the vocals. I'm filled with hope. I'm going to reach for the stars. I just think that's, you know, a starting point. I'm filled with hope. Filled with hope. I'm gonna reach for the stars. Reach for the stars. Don't know where to go. Am I trying too hard? Trying too hard. I've changed it. Hopefully for the last time. And then it goes really simple in the verse, just basically G major, C hard 9. Full of hope, I'm gonna reach for the stars. I don't know where to go, am I trying too hard, too hard, too hard. So then using that that B thing, which I think is gorgeous, that chord. I'm really glad he said that. It's really nice, is that. I've also added the open G string in there. Right, so again, I've taken his kind of his idea as like a starting point. So instead of doing the A minor here and then going down to the D7 here and to this G diminished, which is a fantastic chord. It's not often I use diminished chords in songwriting, and I don't really know why. I'm gonna do this instead, so like an E minor thing. I'm gonna keep a similar rhythmic idea. D7, I'm gonna do it there, just so I can keep that C note down. I could even change it to a minor 7, so it's got. They just sound a bit more connected there, I think. But then I'm going to go to the G diminish. And then to tie it in with the other part, I'm going to go to an open D and add that little movement from before. Diminished chords are great because they're just stacks of thirds. So it means if you go back or forward 1, 2, 3 frets, minor third away, it's actually the exact same notes, just in a different order. So this way you can get like these nice. So what I'm doing is I'm doing the diminished chord from the original idea, then moving it back, and that leads me to a D. And I'm doing that same kind of idea just to tie it all together. Keep moving forward and not back. God only knows if we're on the right path. God only knows if we're on the right path. It's got to be something like that. I just need to come up with one more line, I think. One more set of lines here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to crack on with recording this thing. God only knows if I'm moving too fast. Learn to go Learn to go slow, cause there's no fast track.
This has inspired me so much. I'm so happy that someone actually reached out and wanted to share their musical ideas with me. I want to do more of this. If you guys want to send me any of your like chord progressions, riffs, lyrics, anything that you think that, you know, might be quite good for me to use as a starting point for one of these songs, then I'm going to leave my email address that you can send your ideas to in the description box below. Check out the song. It's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.